Hello, my lovelies. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in Dubai for the next 5 days, and I'm gonna be telling you what I did, things you can do in Dubai, touristy things that you should not miss, best things to shop, and everything. So today is my first day in Dubai, and I headed to Dubai Mall, which is known to be the biggest mall, and it has so many things, so many brands, endless things to shop for. And it was so creative, I can't even tell you. मैं गई थी क्रिसमस के टाइम पे, so it was decorated like an absolute gem. Very beautiful settings each and every place. जैसे आप Cartier देख रहे हो, जैसे आप बाकी brands देख रहे हो. It was screaming luxury, and obviously देसी in Dubai हूँ तो एक मील तो देसी बनता ही है. I went to Mosam Dubai, which is located in Dubai Mall. It had an open space which was very beautiful, and you could see the entire Burj Khalifa view from there. This is a luxury fine dining place in Dubai. The interior, the details, the lights, the sitting, everything was so spectacular. इतने beautifully सब कुछ craft किया था. The aesthetics here were to die for. मैंने स्टार्ट किया विद सम नाइस दिल्ली की आलू टिक्की चाट फॉलोड बाय अ नाइस जूसी एवोकाडो. इसका नाम कुछ टांगी एवोकाडो समथिंग था. इट वाज टू गुड. 10 on 10 recommend if you love avocado ka flavor. I tried their veg and non-veg meal as well. I honestly prefer the non-veg one, and the gulab jamun was so yummy and super juicy. The right amount of sweet, the right amount of everything. एकदम 10 on 10 था. एंड मुझे इनका नॉन वेज मील ज़्यादा पसंद आया. इट वॉज वेरी नाइस, वेरी फ्लेवरफुल. And then when you exit Dubai Mall to go to like your taxi place and everything, you'll find this stretch. ये लोग ने उसको चाइना टाउन टाइप्स डेकोरेट किया था. इट वॉज एब्सोल्युटली सो प्रिटी. Look at the detailing, the lanterns, all of these. It was literally as if I was standing in China. I also saw these people ice skating, and it was surreal. If you are somebody who wants to click a lot of pictures and take a lot of photos or reels, this is your spot. This is one of the most popular spots in the entire of Dubai Mall. Pictures बहुत अच्छे आते हैं, lighting बहुत perfect है, and the peace you get when you stand here is insane. And I also went there during Christmas, so मुझे एक huge Sephora का Christmas tree दिखा. It was so huge, and literally, if you are a girl, you will understand what this is. Sephora is every girl's favorite, and just look at it. The detailing, the way they had presented it. I shopped a little from Sephora too. If you're in Sephora UAE, there are some really nice brands you should try out. And obviously I was hungry again, so I went to this yum place called Wagamama. It was too good. I don't remember the name of the dish, but I will find it and write it in the caption below. Then it was time for the beautiful fountain show in the eve. The lights, the sounds of water. If I'm not wrong, every 20 minutes होता है after like 7 p.m. or something. इनका कुछ specific timing होता है. It was a pleasure watching all of this. And Burj Khalifa was lit up in this beautiful blue lighting. If you are coming to Dubai, do not miss this. And also, for people who don't know, Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall are like super close by. सो इफ़ यू कमिंग टू बुर्ज खलीफा, आप दुबई मॉल भी विजिट कर सकते हो एंड आपको पूरा दिन लग ही जाएगा इफ़ यू वांट टू शॉप ऑल लग्जरी ब्रांड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज मॉल. सो ये उसका व्यू है बिफोर द लाइटिंग स्टार्ट्स, एंड आई थिंक एवरी 20 मिनट्स उनका चालू होता है. So this, and it's free, you don't need a ticket, you don't need to pay anything, you just go outside and ये fountain shows होते रहते हैं. It is so worth it, trust me. The view, the people, the vibe is literally worth experiencing.